Hello, I'm Loose Shirt. Welcome to Locks with Loose. And today I've got an Elzet Seclox. I think that's how you say it. Seclox. I don't have a key for this one. And been kind of pesky trying to get in here. Let me see if I can do it. So I'm on number 5. Click out of that. Nothing out of 4. Click out of 3. Nothing out of 2. Well, yeah, I gotta click. Maybe a little. Well, wow, that was unexpected. I picked it before. It took a lot longer. I don't have a key for this, but let's go ahead and gut it. Okay, so it gives you an idea of what the key would look like. There's no visible core milling. There is, however, I noticed. Look at these key pins, you can see the bevel on it. So that will make them a little more tough to pick. Okay, first one is a spool. I'll hold it up here in a minute. Give you a look. Standard. Spool. Standard. Spool. They look like GG spools. I mean, not GG regular spools, but of that variety. GG spools have like a 3-section, 2 spool sections in them. Well, you know what I mean. Sorry. The standards. Yeah, there's a little bit of bevel on the edge. But I'd like to get it looks like a Y1 Yale blank would work. Maybe I'll see if I can locate one and make a key for it. That's pretty cool little lot. Oh, got to dump those out. There we go. Now I'm happy. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.